Hello guys, today I'm going to give you a quick and easy tutorial for how you're going to use monday.com. So first off, we gotta click get started, and then we're going to wait for a second or two. As you can see guys, here in the first page we have been given some options. Now we're here in this page we're given the options to connect with Google or enter email. I'm gonna connect with Google, so it's going to be easier for me. But guys, if you have a Google account, please, not please, I just recommend you to use it because it's going to be real more easy for in my opinion. Hey there, what brings you here today? So I'm going to choose school, but guys, you can choose work, personal, school, non-profits. Yeah, I'm going to choose school. What best describes your current role? I am an other. I am a principal. How many people are there on your team? Like 101 to 500, let's say. What would you like to focus on first? Like there, as we can see guys, there are many options right here. Like we have CRM, resource management, student organizations, requests and approvals, I would say student organizations, and goals and strategy. Oh, there can be only one, there's no problem guys. Let's just choose goals and strategy. One last question, how did you care about this? I heard other. Let's choose this and wait for a quick second to go in. You can also see that there is a YouTube ad, LinkedIn, and other things. So we can see here guys, while it is loading, we can see in the background that this is the main menu. Let's just wait for 1 second for it to load and let's see it. Okay, so now we can add people here. There we can add a person here, and we can choose their role. We can set them as an admin and as a member. So we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to show you. Let's start working together. So I'm going to, my first board is Hey YouTube. So that's my first board. Let's select the relevant columns of your board. Let's say it is a due date without status and notes. Okay, so we're going to select one of the items you'd like to manage, and we're going to manage projects, let's say, and view layout. Let the view layout be a Gantt chart, or it could be cards. I think that cards suit the most. The project one will be school and tree. Project 2 will be mid-term exams, and project 3 will be last school exam. After that, we're going to get started, and just wait for 1 second for it to load. And right here guys, it loaded, and now we can see everything guys. Here is our tasks for this month. The project is so the project is here. Our projects are school entry exam, midterm exams, and last school exams. The owner of this is me, and the due date is can be set. Like we can set them just for this month, for December 5th. I don't know if we can be done. It can be done though, and so that is really helpful. And we can see that we can add notes to this, like study hard, and we can add emojis like smiley face, caution emoji. We can see the activity here. But we can add projects here. We can add also new work spaces, and we can. Now I'm going to show you the plans, the premium plans. So guys, we can see that there are 4 plans right here: the basic, the standard, pro, and enterprise plan. The most popular plan is standard plan, which is €12 per month, and it includes these perks that are really good. For its price, we can also see that there is a pro, which is our current trial, and it is real good, as y'all saw. We can choose how much seats are there, but we don't need that. Like if there are as much seats as they can get, the the price isn't getting bigger. Oh, so we can see that for 3 seats is 27 euros a month, but is €9 a month per seat. So we can see that there is a pro trial and an enterprise trial, which you can have to contact the team to set the price. We have to talk to them and tell them how much people are there in the project. So guys, I think that I showed you enough for you to understand the basic knowledge of Monday.com, and I hope guys I was useful to you, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys around later.